Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal, all the teachers and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic of my speech is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He was the father of our beloved nation, dear friends. Quaid-e-Azam always wanted Pakistan, the greatest nation of the world. My fellow friends, let's pledge today we will make our Pakistan the Pakistan of Quaid-e-Azam dreams. Pakistan Zindabad.